For hybrid drivers, every day starts with a challenge your engine feels. Long commutes, short trips, and engine stress from engine start-stops from stop and go traffic. Hybrid engines face constant cold starts and shorter run times, putting extra stress on vital components. That's why Lucas Oil created two powerful solutions with Lucas's proprietary Hybrid Shield technology, designed just for hybrids. Lucas Hybrid Oil Treatment with Hybrid Shield can easily be added during an oil change or between change intervals to instantly reduce engine wear and shield from stop-start driving. Adding Lucas Hybrid Fuel Treatment with Hybrid Shield is just as simple. Simply add one bottle to your fuel to maximize fuel efficiency, clean and lubricate fuel system components, and stabilize fuel to fight corrosion. Both products are formulated to enhance all hybrid engine types. Lucas Oil Hybrid products with Hybrid Shield, designed for today's drivers.